effectively protect your system and data, it is vital to understand how to install any software or any files securely. It is very crucial, and it's important to find out the potential weaknesses on the software. And if we do not do that, and we just randomly install any software, then it might be harmful for our system. So what are the uh, importance in the importance of proper installation and configuration? Because it is important, because properly, if we don't install any software properly, then unauthorized access could be disrupt our system. So what are the things we can do it for that? So first is research the software. Before installing any software or application, research its security features, yes, and its reputation, and check for known vulnerabilities and recent patches, and software overall trustworthiness is important. And second is use official sources. If we use third party websites and we install any software, then it might be a uh, malware. Okay, so be careful about just download the software from the official website, so not just third party website. Okay, and verify file integrity, because there has a hash function. We can found cryptography hash often provide the software vendor of provide by software vendor, and this ensure that the software has not tempered with corrupted during the download process. Okay, and install updates. Okay, and latest, just try to install latest version of the software, because maybe it might be a security patches that um, help you. Okay, and secure configuration is important, because following the installation, properly configure the software by the following vendor documentation or industry based practices. This include just adjust settings and related to authentication and encryption and access control, and among other important security parameters. Okay, so what are the consideration you should consider uh, whenever you install any software? So just keep in mind that it's last privilege. It's maintained last privilege, because configuring user accounts and permission with the principle of last privilege and limit user access. This limits user access to terminal minimal level of necessary to accomplish their task. Okay, and reducing the potential attack surface, because if, and second is the unknown processes, because if we unknown unused processes, okay, service is running on background and we don't know, and it might increase our attack surface. So hackers can exploit it if has any weaknesses on these are the services. So just kill these services and terminate this. And firewall and network security is also important. We should consider whenever we install any software or configure software. Okay, encryption is another important term. Okay, and password policies is important whenever we are making any uh, account on this software. We should focusing on our password policies. Okay, that's it. Till then, goodbye. So I hope you got some idea about how to install in software. Okay, these are the things you need to consider whenever you install any software. Thank you.